Guys, in this 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to add a professional service list to your Wix website. Perfect for showcasing what you offer clearly and cleanly. Open your Wix editor and go to the page where you want your services to appear, usually the services or about page. Click Add section, then select services from the list of templates. Choose a layout that fits your style. You can go with icons, images, or text-based designs. Edit each item to include your service name, short description, and price if needed. You can also add buttons like Book Now or Learn More for each service. Make sure your fonts and colors match your site's theme for a polished look. Preview the page to check spacing and alignment. Then hit publish when it's ready to go live. And that's it. Your Wix service list is now live and ready for clients. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials every week.